Okay, we got to hear the masala. Got it. Got this guitar pickup. It's a Fishman. Fishman. Alright guys, ito na yung finished product which I built already. I bought it online sa Lazada. But you know what? I have a comment regarding this one. This one is okay, but unfortunately when I tried this last night, you know, this pickup got something wrong. The connection down here. The feature that I am going to show you today is one. This is Fishman also, but this one is the original Fishman. Go. Okay, this is the fake one and this is the original one, and as you can see, there's a difference. And the inside difference between this is the wire of the fake one is copper wire. This one is silver. This is the original one. This monitor here for the tuning, okay, the tuner for tuning your guitar is a different from this one, okay, right? And the texture of this on the top of it, it's a kind of rubberized. Okay, this one here. So removing, I'm going to replace also my strings. Alright, so there you go. Need to clean up this one. Okay, so this is now this one. You can see it's copper. So this one is for this. This one is for this. Okay then. So this one fits better than the first. Okay, see, it's fitted than the other one. Okay, and this is a good news. Okay, so it's more fitted. See this one, see. Okay, so I'm gonna clean it first to install it properly, and of course this one here. Okay, I'm gonna clean it up first. And then the last one is the cover, and it serves as the strap holder. There you go. See. Okay. Going to install this one. Yeah, you can see the tip of it. Yeah, you should put that in the hole properly. Of course, we're gonna pass through this hole once again. Okay, there you go. So when you get this one, pull it out, and then you are going to connect this the other side of the hole. You see that I put the hole there, so you are going to flatten it and then put it or insert it there. There's a hole over here. Okay. You have to fold it this one. Okay, and then insert that in the hole. There you go. I think it should put it properly. There. Okay, just should use plastic or something. This one, I think this one is better. Okay, it'll be like this. This one. As you can see here, if you is the monitor where you can tune your guitar. Okay, that means it's tuned. Everything is okay now. Right? So it works. So let's see. Let's try. Alright, so here's the performance of this Fishman. Okay, see the difference? Okay, so I put the original one here. So this original is much better than the old, the fake one, I should say. Right? See, okay. See the difference? Okay. And of course, like what I told you here is the copper wire that is not so good picking up the sound. It's a cheap one, and also this is quite okay, but this one is much better. Okay, as you can hear the sound. Will rate this one 1 to 5. I just give 1. Rate 1. So if you're going to plan to buy used pickup one, this one is much better. You can touch the rubberized coat of this one rather than this one. It's much better. This one you can see you can touch the texture, but this one is just plastic. Okay, let's hear the sound.